Hey everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance, where we help you make smart choices that save you time and money. And today we're settling a huge debate for content creators and small business owners. Want to see which tool is better for your visual content? Is it the new AI-powered Phant AI video maker or the legendary Adobe Photoshop? Well, I hope you know that it's not about which is better, actually about which is better for you. So let's break it down. When we look at the cost trends, Phant AI Video Maker has AI-generated and edited video, while Adobe Photoshop has professional image editing and design. When we look at the ease of use, Phant AI Video Maker actually is super simple. It has text to video and one-click edits. While Adobe Photoshop has a steep learning curve, is powerful, but like I said, has a steep learning curve. So when we look at the speed, Phant AI Video Maker is lightning fast. You can create a video in minutes, while Adobe Photoshop is precise and slow. Total control takes some time. When we look at content type, Phant AI Video Maker creates short-form videos like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, social media, fun videos. While Adobe Photoshop is for creating static images like logos, banners, and photos. Let's look at the AI power. Now, Phant AI Video Maker is the whole brain. You can write the scripts, generate footage, and all. You can put one or two pictures together, and it helps you make them hug, make them fly, and stuff like that. So it's really, really fun. When we look at Adobe Photoshop, on the other hand, it has amazing assistant that enhances the photos. It has amazing assistant that enhances the photos. It also has it helps you expand and even removes objects too. Now we look at what they're ideal for. So Phant AI Video Maker is ideal for beginners, marketers that want to create quick viral content, while Adobe Photoshop is ideal for designers, photographers, and pixel perfect quality. If you need pixel perfect quality, go for Adobe Photoshop. Lastly, the costs. Now you see Phant AI Video operates on a credit plan, so they give you free credits and you can buy more credits. You can subscribe to get more credits, and it's affordable. While Adobe Photoshop has professional pricing and it's more expensive. So think of it this way: Phant AI is like a genius intern who creates entire video drafts from a single sentence, while Photoshop is a master artisan toolkit for crafting that perfect polished image for your website or ad. Both of them use AI, but in completely different ways. So what's the verdict? If you need to pump out engaging video content fast without a learning curve, Phant AI is a game changer. But if your brand relies on stunning, high-quality images and you have the time to learn, then Photoshop is still the undisputed king. For many of us in business, the smartest move might be to use both. That's right. Use Phant for video and Photoshop for your thumbnails and graphics. That's the powerhouse combo. Let us know in the comments which one you are trying out first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips that make your life easier and your business smarter.